Alright everyone, we are in the workshop and this is the beginning stage. We're going to be taking that entire area and transforming it into the CNC area. So basically, rough drawing. We're currently going to go out and get some lumber from the lumber stash out in the 40. So it's all lumber that we've cut, and we're going to make all nice oak workbench tops here. A lot of stuff we gotta just kind of get rid of and move out. We're gonna move all those bolts and stuff, all that junk there. We're gonna make kind of a finishing table out of that, a better one. We're gonna take our saw and big router stuff and get wheels for the bottom, be able to move it in and out. Eventually, dust collection system there. We've got the radial arm saw with ear protection, and we've been doing a lot of model building. So this all a lot of this stays the same. We'll be able to do some painting and stuff over here. Model stash, model building, streaming stuff. So a lot of our focus now will be on the CNC and model building. So you'll see more stuff coming up on YouTube with this. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll do another video on getting the lumber. So we're currently going to go out and get the lumber. So that involves the tractor, the drying shed, lots of snow, and all that good stuff. So come back. There'll be a lot more content on the YouTube channel again and Twitch. So I appreciate you hanging out, watching the video. It's a quick one, and talk to you later.